let's look at number 4 in the addition. Now, when I was asking you to do something and setting up our summary table, I forgot one super important thing. Whenever we fill down, unless we tell it otherwise, the computer program will actually change where we're getting data from, right? So if I want to have this data, the average for 10 centimetre going to hit this thing here, then that is fine. But as soon as I pull it down, it will go searching for the next one below it. So this one searches for that value. Now this is all good for the averages, but it's not so good for the ramp length. The ramp length is always found in this box here, which is F13. So when I come to this, and I forgot to tell you before, so you will have to now adjust your formula for this. So let's look what our formula should look like. When I fix this up, I have to adjust the formula so that I tell it I always want it to go to this box, F13. So I put a dollar sign in front of it, and I put a dollar sign in front of the 13. That says go to F, always go to F, always go to number 13. This one though will change. So this is for the 10 cm. It becomes F6 for the 15 cm and F7 for the 20 and so on. Now the machine will automatically do that for us by just the drag down operation. But we need to add this important little thing here. Make sure your formula is exactly the same as the one I have here now. Alright, so I'd like you to do that, and then we're going to move on in the next video.